Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today we are going to learn about how to use a relay within the simulide simulator. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to go to our search components search bar, and here we will write relay. Press enter and we got our relay here. So this is our relay. And you must know that why we are supposed to use this relay. If we can use push button or any other thing or microcontroller, there are certain devices that are having a lot of power. Like if we want to make on an incandescent lamp or a full 220 volt AC fan, then we must have to use this relay. Because microcontrollers, small switches like push buttons, they are not supposed to be in contact with the 220 volt or some higher amperage current. So it's always better to use this type of relay. And there are two things, that is, you can see that the lower one is called as the coil, while the upper two are called as the connections. Okay, these are the connections and this one is coil. Now you can see that the connections are open. They are not in contact with each other. But when we will give certain voltage to this coil, these two connections will become on or they will be contacted. So now we will go and we will take our battery. So this is our battery. So this one. Usually it is 12 volt or it is here it is 5 volt. I'm not sure about what sort of operating voltages the relay has, but still we will try it with 5 volt and then we can go up to 12 volt. Usually in the market the available relays are of 12 volts. Now we will go and we will take switch. So this is switch and we can connect it like this. So we have to connect our switch and battery in series. Okay, and the other end or the negative end of the battery with the first terminal of the coil, and the second terminal of the coil must be connected with the other end of the switch. Now our circuit has been completed. Now we run our simulation and here we can see that our relay is in off condition, but whenever we will press the push button, you can see that our relay becomes on. Because with the help of this push button we cannot on the higher voltages thing like television or some other amplifier, so it is better to use this relay. Now we will take some incandescent lamp so that we can so we have taken this one. It is of high power. So now we will connect it with the terminal of this relay. We also need to take one battery here, just like this. So this is, and we will connect the other end of the battery with the other end of our relay, that is this to the second connector. So now we run it out, and now whenever we will press the push button, we can see that our incandescent lamp will on. And there isn't any sort of electrical connection between the both sides. They are just magnetically connected and not the electrically. So in this way we can use a relay within the simulide platform. And don't forget to subscribe.